Good morning, second graders. Today you are going to complete your quick quiz for math. So the first thing you're going to do is open up to page 339 to 340. Number 1 says count the hundreds, tens, and ones, then write the total. So how many hundreds are there? How many tens? How many ones? What is that number? Here you're going to break apart 749. You're going to write hundreds, tens, and ones, then write the number. So how many hundreds are there? Break it apart. There aren't just there are 700s, but would I just put 7? Nope, 700 for expanded form. And then how many tens and how many ones? Then you're going to write out 749 on the line in word form. Okay? 641 is greater than, less than, or equal to 614. Count by tens, write the numbers. Victor bought some stickers. He bought 3 pages that had 100 stickers on each page. So if he has 3 pages that each have 100 stickers, how many stickers does he have right there? He also bought 27 stickers. So 3 pages of 100 plus 27 stickers, how many stickers did he buy in all? Then you're going to do your addition and subtraction on the back. When you are done with that, I want you to go to Match Analog Clocks Q2 for review. So Q2 says, what time does the clock show? 7 o'clock. Okay, and the hour hand is the shorthand. It's between the 4 and the 5. It's not 2-5 yet, so remember you can't say you're 5 years old yet. It's still 4, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 4:30. And then continue on with your IXL. And then when you are finished with that, you can choose to do extra math if you would like. Have a great day in math, and let me know if you have any questions.